Hello students, welcome back on the e-learning platform of PN Amarse High School. This is Shalini Mishra, your economics teacher, going to start chapter 6, and the title of the chapter is Unemployment. Dear students, entire world is facing social and economic problems like poverty, unemployment, inflation and depression. Every country of the world is doing their level best to come out of these problems. Whether developed or developing countries of the world could not reach full employment situation. In India, unemployment is a major issue. As population of India is increasing day by day, the problem of unemployment has increased. Now let's understand the meaning of unemployment. Unemployment refers to a situation in which the workers who are capable of working and willing to work do not get opportunity for the employment. Or we can say that unemployment occurs when a person who is actively searching for employment is unable to find work. According to A.C. Pigou, unemployment means all those who are willing to work are not able to find job. Here, Pigou has defined unemployment in reference of active workforce. Now let's understand the compulsory unemployment. When a person is willing and ready to work at current wage rate but he is not able to get job, that person is said to be unwilling unemployed or unemployment unemployed against his will. This type of unemployment, also called compulsory nature of unemployment. Next type of unemployment is voluntary unemployment. If a person is not willing and ready to work and not getting work, he is unemployed as per his own choice is called voluntary unemployed. Non-working populations such as children, elderly people, weak people and the people who are unemployed because of their own choice are not called unemployed. In India, active workforce or working age is 15 to 64 years. Here, 15 years is minimum age of active workforce and maximum age of active workforce is 64 years. In India, compulsory unemployment has become a serious issue of India nowadays. If a person is economically dependent on others, he cannot get right status in the society. So we cannot say that unemployment is an economical problem or economic problem only, but can create problems like social, ethical and political. Dear students, in next video we discuss about types of unemployment. Thank you.